Okay, so a few months back at the agency, something clicked that completely changes how software gets built. Look, everybody thinks you need a team of engineers and a CS degree to ship anything. That entire world is dead. It's over. Here's the thing, right? The old rules just don't apply anymore. The whole idea that you need to be a C++ wizard to get a product out the door? Gone. The gatekeepers are gone. And the crazy part is, most people haven't even realized it yet. This isn't some future thing. This is happening right now. You have to update your mental model, like right now. Your job is not to be the engineer laying bricks. Your job is to be the architect telling an infinitely fast, basically free labor force, the AI, what to build. You have the vision. It has the hands. So what are we building with this? Microtools. Forget building the next Facebook, okay? A microtool is a simple, single-function utility that solves one super specific, super boring problem perfectly. A tool that generates invoices? Microtool. A script that cleans up timestamps from a YouTube video? Microtool. The ROI is insane because the cost to build is now basically zero. To really get how massive this is, you gotta understand just how painful and broken the old way of doing things actually was. Let's just lay it out. I mean, just look at this. On the left, the old way, you need a team of 10 engineers, you're wrestling with AWS, it takes months, and it's all friction. The new way, it's just you, an AI, and what we call the golden stack. The whole thing is done in 15 minutes. It's not even a competition. And look, we didn't just guess this. We brute forced our way to this conclusion. We experimented with literally 20 different stacks, trying to ship faster. We tried React, we tried Vercel, we tried vanilla AWS. It was all just friction, man. Every single step felt like walking through concrete. We just knew there had to be a better way. And then, at some point, after testing all this stuff, it just clicked. We found the one combination of tools that just removes all the friction. This is the cheat code. This is what we call the golden stack. All right, first piece of the stack, the brain. This is the AI that's actually going to write the code for you. And as of right now, the absolute best model for code generation is Claude 3.5 Sonnet, period. We tested it against everything. GPT-4o is a close second, for sure, but Sonnet just gets it right more often. It's the play. Second piece, the storage. Don't even think about this one. It's GitHub. It's free, it's the standard, it's where your code lives. Plus, it's basically the new resume, so you need an account anyway. Moving on. And that brings us to the final piece, the actual secret weapon here. The front end is Streamlit. Yo, this is the cheat code. This is the thing that makes this entire system work. It takes a basic Python script and just, poof, turns it into a working website. No HTML, no CSS, none of that front-end development nightmare. This single tool eliminates like 90% of the work. Okay, so that's the what. Now for the how. I'm going to give you the exact protocol. This is the step-by-step playbook we use to spin these things up. You can literally just follow this blindly. Phase A is the setup. You do this one time and you never have to think about it again. It's 2 steps. 1, make a GitHub account. 2, make a Streamlit Cloud account and link it to your GitHub. That's it. It'll take you 5 minutes, max. All right, so once that one-time setup is done, you're good to go forever. Now we get to the actual process, the part you'll do over and over. We call it the creation loop. This is what you run every single time you get a new idea. It's just 3 steps, super simple. Step 1, write the God mode prompt. You're not writing code, you're just telling the AI what to build in plain English. Step 2, the copy-paste dance. You're just moving the code into GitHub. And step 3, hit the magic button in Streamlit to deploy. That is literally the entire workflow. So what happens when you hit that button? From the moment you click deploy in Streamlit to the moment you have a live, shareable URL fair app. How long does it take? 45 seconds. Yeah, we timed it. 45 seconds. Let's be super clear about what this means. You just built a tool that 5 years ago would have been a $5,000 contract for a dev shop, and you did it in less time than it takes to brew a pot of coffee. The entire economic model of software is fundamentally broken. Now, to be fair, Streamlit isn't the only player in this game. We did the homework, we looked at the whole no-code landscape, so you don't have to waste your time. So here's the breakdown, right? If you need a ridiculously polished, business-grade UI, V0 by Vercel is insane. The catch? You gotta know some React. If you need a full-blown backend, Replit agent is pretty magical, but it's gonna cost you. For building something useful today, with 0 cost and 0 friction, Streamlit just hits that perfect sweet spot. So here's our verdict after all the experiments. If your long-term plan is to build a massive tech company, yeah, go learn V0, fine. But if your goal is to solve a real problem for yourself or a client this afternoon, the answer is Streamlit. It's not even a debate. So what's the point of all this? It's simple. The barrier has gone. The excuses, the gatekeepers, the technical debt, it's all just evaporated into thin air. So I'll just leave you with this one question. If you have an idea for a tool right now and you're not building it, the old excuse, I can't code, is officially off the table. That reason is dead. So what's the real reason?